Welcome to Maverick. If you're not present at the facts, you will end up guessing. Please spend a few moments watching this presentation to make an informed choice on your wellness. At Maverick, we combine the scientific knowledge of the West with the aesthetic wisdom of the East to present a holistic platform for wellness. Several methods of the Czech Institute USA have been incorporated into the Maverick culture. Here is what we promise at Maverick. A weighing scale does not differentiate between fat and muscle. Maverick does a body composition analysis which helps analyze your body fat percentage, water percentage, muscle mass, visceral fat, and among other things, your body's metabolic rate, or the rate at which the food you consume is converted into energy for use by the body. Every Maverick member gets an online account where all information in relation to their fitness will be available. Metabolic typing, a system evolved after a great deal of research by William Wolcott and advocated by the Czech Institute, has been adopted by Maverick as an online questionnaire. Just as how a diesel car wouldn't run on petrol, your unique biochemistry will not work efficiently on a one-size-fits-all type of diet. Metabolic typing helps identify each individual's unique biochemistry. Metabolic typing will help provide you insights on how to eat right for your body type. An appointment with our nutritionist will easily enhance this knowledge by aiding you to get specialized diet charts planned for you. The uniqueness of the Maverick approach to fitness are the scientific systems we follow to ensure uniformity in knowledge and application. Workouts designed by professionals with certification from the American Council on Exercise, ACE, are available for both men and women, categorized into beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Every workout card has pictorial support cards that give detailed instructions on how each exercise is to be performed. In addition to the pictorial cards, there is a touchscreen video support provided on the gym floor. Over 800 exercises have been videographed and chronicled with instructions following the guidelines of the American College of Sports Medicine, ACSM. Maverick's touchscreen approach is indeed unique and has raised the bar on the expectations from the fitness industry in India. Professional fitness trainers are available on the gym floor all the time to guide the members. The basic requirements of posture and key points of well-aligned body movements is chronicled online. An appointment with our physiotherapist can provide greater clarity and pain relief. At any time, members may contact our trainers, dietitians, or physiotherapists online using the message boards to clarify doubts. Maverick believes it is the responsibility of every human being to take care of his body, for it is the only address we have during this lifetime. With this in mind, Maverick has introduced Become an Educated Exerciser program, where members are encouraged to watch video talks by experts on fitness, including Dr. Lawrence Golding, founder of ACSM, and Paul Chek, founder of the Czech Institute, as well as inspirational videos on holistic living, including talks by T.T. Rangarajan, founder Alma Mater and editor Frozen Thoughts. For those who need personalized counseling, Maverick provides customization packages that include a priority questionnaire to identify your current wellness state. The findings of this questionnaire will aid in implementing certain lifestyle modifications to handle the imbalance in your wellness priority. This is based on Czech Institute model and incorporates several exercises related to the various chakras to ensure energy balance. Personal trainer, well-versed in the art of motivation and exercise, can help you achieve your fitness goals with ease. The goal of Maverick is to help build a healthy India. Your participation in our fitness programs will directly aid in our achieving this goal. Your wellness is our priority.